Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Today, we're diving into the basics of intermittent fasting. This beginner's guide will cover everything you need to know to get started. Remember to always consult with a registered health practitioner before making any major changes to your diet. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, intermittent fasting, or IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Unlike traditional diets, IF focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, but they all involve dividing the day or week into eating and fasting periods. Let's look at the most popular types of intermittent fasting. 16-8 method. This involves fasting every day for 16 hours and restricting your daily eating window to 8 hours. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. 5-2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and significantly reducing calorie intake, around 500 to 600 calories, on the remaining 2 days. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For instance, you might fast from dinner one day to dinner the next day. Alternate day. Fasting. This involves alternating between normal eating days and fasting days. On fasting days, you eat very little or nothing at all. Warrior diet. This involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and eating one large meal at night, typically within a 4-hour window. Now, why do people practice intermittent fasting? Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. Intermittent fasting can help you consume fewer calories and improve your hormone function to facilitate weight loss. 2. Improved metabolism. Fasting can enhance your metabolic rate and increase levels of norepinephrine, a hormone that burns fat. 3. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting initiates autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components and recycle them, potentially increasing longevity. 4. Reduced inflammation. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress. 5. Better heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve various risk factors, including blood sugar levels, insulin resistance, inflammation, and cholesterol levels. However, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Here are some potential risks. First is nutrient deficiencies. Restricting eating times may lead to inadequate nutrient intake if meals aren't well balanced. Secondly, it's overeating. Some people may overeat during eating periods, negating the benefits of fasting. And lastly, health conditions. Individuals with certain health conditions, like diabetes, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding, should avoid intermittent fasting or consult a healthcare professional before starting. Always remember to listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. That's it for our beginner's guide to intermittent fasting. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your intermittent fasting experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.